stopping by my channel. My name is Anna, and today I have a cute felt project to make with you. It is felt and sewing. It is this cute mushroom necklace. Oh, there's a little piece of string. Mushroom necklace, lanyard. You could even turn it into a keychain, and it's really cute. I'm trying to get in frame, but the best part is it has a little secret compartment. The mushroom comes up, and then inside here you could easily take some cash or a key, stick it in here, pull that down, and you've got a nice secret compartment. So any little trinkets that you need taken care of, this is the perfect little necklace to hold in there. I think it turned out really, really cute. It just slides up, and I hope you like it. Mushrooms are so popular right now, so I hope you get some good ideas and maybe make one for yourself. Stick around and I'll show you how.